Okay, our target for today says I can investigate ones and zeros in multiplication and division equations. I will show this by proving my answers with drawings. I read that like a reader, now let's read it like a mathematician. I can investigate. Now remember, whenever we talk about the word investigate, it means to find as many answers as possible. So whenever someone is investigating something, they're usually searching or trying to find the reason why. So I'm going to use the term look into. I'm looking into it for answers. I can look into ones and zeros in multiplication and division equations. Now remember, equations is just a big fancy word for math sentences. I will show this by proving my answers with drawings. So whenever I ask you to prove something, whenever I'm asking you to prove your answer specifically, I'm wanting you to tell me why. So I'm going to say that by showing, instead of telling, why. So you're showing me why your answers are correct with drawings. All right, so that's our target for today. So keep watching the videos to see exactly how we can investigate our ones and our zeros.